I was saying, I'm a cover and found attention TV so. Fila ana merebe sumo na nse majime dwade na ene de nsem ekoso e wo Ghana memu hase na so ne de aprobo abepiemu awo kasoa contempo ne so aye free baby aigbeton minim sa aigbefo nko na te ha o ana se fantofo na wo ya aigbefo no ana obechekere ha na so obechekere ha no wawe aigbefo na wo ne aigbefo bi nyantoko a entoko ne emba ne wie ye da wo to ha aigbetown pa de ene minim agese me guest na menya no e wo menche ha no se na mbisa ne se na ha do se Town there and a banisa. Nipi amene no ebe twhwe nkomo edim papa yi e wo Ghana memo hase. Se ye hwe Ghana memo hase ya depot na edi akotne e wo ye industry papa ene nwumto. Se we nya nwum abusia o wedi na so kra nwum ne ye bo ems no mekasa keke. Ono kra kasa kra no penwum bi e de twane na ase. Eza ne dancing show no asebe wai. Abusia eya na eba nwumto anase music industry wo Ghana memo hase ya. Ye hyeda emfa appreciation emfa mass ankrofoi na nipa amene no bekasa ene ekasa nipa no ho ebe bisa ne sembe bre na djuma no eye den na mane basa ana se omo no mo pe andaji things we say on say bible no kra kasa se omo ahusu pibro bre ho ase de ono de omo de low key na ana woko medin ene akosia sparkles na me fasida emma university foundation so waso masene se me fa djumede embeso me number and 0548302985 0548302985 no ya ne say aye de ne janka mobroa wona woni bi kunafo inso atoka na hye ho agiri ene de traffic workers akwa ne so do esna heaven any from heaven akonto okra min gin say nipa bedoso e wokwan no so asne kaso akwantempon no eso eno ana wo ye busia fa wo de e bade bia meka say the nations are never too late eno nti number be the Tvgh no frɛ no na bibia entodin attention TV eso eni ma mentwa me ba ye de gimedie no e be hyehyɛ so se interfo award abusia mitwa me ho a maba sna me di kan e kan ye na attention TV fila e de aprabo edifi enkramemu anya school junction na e se e ba e befu krum e bedu ye so a me ne yen kan se obi odimu pa e wo Ghana memu hase se ba no music industry na so e ka me akoye se ni di no obetia anje enwo ne be sha no mudin amba enyum no ebe ende kromudin so ensa so emba se ba so kra dia nipa no eko interview kan e bisa se how's your song like how is it amon kai onipa no kra na yen kan se enyum ni na untimi embeto no za capella for se Ghana memu hase no enso ya wo cha capella members rent no so ye pe drums band of drum e course so e wa kra mantempo mu honom no he wona wo kwa so wo so se wo church members cry 100 obedi madanse say nipa 50 wo chemu 2 say omo de drums nko any beat no praises no ana ya wo pe eno tena me ne caskets e hyiemu e wo ni studio hanom si ya ni studio hanom e ye fa papa ye un se wo hwe camera nko light and light es ni disco me ne no e ba twetwe komo e de afa na jima oye ho e den na mane basa say Ghana memo hase ye say that enti omunka they could be called celebrities awards bi kra betimi e de akwa momo na so ye sheda enti nkrofo yi enka yenko na ye no enkotwe enkowo caskets ma wakwa ba
thank you
pesa wo body ni ma body ye dia
no
caskets
on it
caskets on it oh okay makani ye caskets on it ba edin mpacho o ye me na bi na school no wan sheda and kruma edin no nya caskets mpacho caskets I think keys, right?
Yeah, keys.
Yeah, and until wow, or touch a man and toss it to 70, no. And how embo. That's the same.
That's you.
Oh, I promise swear.
Me a pan.
Oh, girl.
Daddy.
And they set me available. Will be a bit dance here, Eddie. I'm a share caskets then all year.
Oh, a music producer.
Okay.
Oh. Oni nkofo ebra ejuma like mene waskuku mene joibi artists in the every samini mina no ma ejuma da
and it's na yenzonga
that's what can say mostly me say media phones so can cause like so artists ni ba mo radio station questions na mo bisa and mostly nkonkofa yen yeso Most
saying mentiasi.
Exactly, because like maybe artists about if I say me la ruso aye juma na so about now say when you make to saying how do you go your music now? They always think about themselves, say how they wrote the song and stuff like that. But when some of the questions are beat near the one or boy, me sure say definitely artists make baby I want your beat in the free.
But most someone can anka on say artists ba on chain na e bia we hu say artists we ko interview on board your beat ne mame. You could also draw the person's attention to it.
Yeah, but then who can't say, and I'm still, it boils down to Asama American say mostly Mona movie a question maybe a question is in fever never money panaka.
But baby, I think say let's say Yenfa Wayne example is a Black Sharif the Traveler song na e ba ye no I think say oni abe kushie mu e ma wo didi nkomo ye bisa understand the music e say no won't say you can say how did you start and how was everything coming up and I think say no producing beats should be part artists for no I can also blame them.
Okay, if Sana okay,
yeah, because what's the which all lyrics day in day out which all lyrics new yeah why now they come no
definitely
as your producer yeah I think that you guys should draw them their attention to that some kwa yeah okay so Cascades how did you become like a band saying and you're professional before a band so I was say yes to I would say young man like you with ambitions with dreams with careers and be like who is Cascades like oh picture with social media and a boy we pan or a bit producer like what happened you go school no dey school and now think
nah me go school pepe but I do baby na me answer me say no me so she cause me kwa you be juma me mpe like I know we were sharing so mpe so I say so I know count them and start it.
What was your dream career like your work career
dream? Me dad ni family no be they were thinking me doctor
and then now what kind of science fan ma
yeah it come up on me mass can rock
oh wow 3 divided by 4
3 divided by 4
ah obenya
1 over 1
we can the one
what's the
me say 3 divided by 4 is 1 over
yeah
so say
1 whole number 1 over 2
abrante ne mass na ka na wan koye
na manye de
wan koye doctor.
Oh, just because of me catch say I go to a point in time the mom is saying pan I'm starting here beating. I think as I was growing up, I had some friends be no they be no more me feel any other there. Me software bisa. I'm very good with software too.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was playing one time be one me guys back could try so and I'm starting to say me this software na able beat. Na no mama fans na no na time to fans na like what you do and then mama started like I started having passion for this so do baby come go school car I'm person me ko
so do what you
this can pop mama say me ko transportation bibia on be ko so mom dem ko ejuma na me chef na me bobit na me madam for.
But how do your parents take it after them knowing say your mouse car be making kids this guy doing chance to say fast can go school now utifie now we beat hey like how dare you especially when you're from this civilized period their homes and a little bit strict sana how did they take it because I don't think it's
it was at home like maybe poppy me mommy na they didn't like it.
Why?
Didn't like it.
It's because they didn't understand the job.
Yes, I think so, and because like nothing was coming out of it, say me yeah, dear madam for, and I was doing it for free, like from the beginning, yeah, so they didn't like it. Also, to see a car, because me buy a doctor, people are happy about it, and see me bubble beat doesn't make sense to them.
That's
so what I say, so that was it.
But I think now it makes sense to them.
Yeah.
So how many years now?
Oh, meet my guys almost like 12 years maybe.
Wow. Yeah, 12 years, meaning that you were in SHS or JHS?
JHS, and I was playing with the software because I'm about games, they all pieces of me collaborating. Okay,
so what happened between you and Samini, like with me?
Actually, there was a team I had as I was growing up, some studio big bars from my area.
Okay.
I'm here again down so they called me, see me and join the team. I think that they have had producers before, but they didn't like the way on my production. And trust me, my first rig work be.
Okay.
Ari bars rhythm. So that was when as me, you know, master minimum now be me didn't.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so
They loved your work.
Yeah.
So you have
award,
wait.
yeah.
I want to have him.
Yeah, award.
Mean that you are good at what you do.
Yeah.
So, is it difficult to be creative beat at the movie? Say my coach, my say, my boom, my dream, say coconut. Now me the lyrics about them say, beat my man, I'm my copy with the other.
At the beginning, I used to think before I do beat, but I don't think.
So, ubit my beat a my sister.
Sincere, I done beat sincere now.
Then we cheat that. Mabu.
So as interview no go so.
What the mabu? My
time like moment time not double beat.
That's also Danny with Chabe.
Missing done with Chabe. And I make a catch on. That's machines in doing so. I sell some machines for starting. Trust me.
Wow. So as I say, Uber into this business no. And now share maybe your colleagues are. They are also not in this business, but they are doing well. How do you see it? What feel saying?
So me who producer na me can't produce a bit like what I say, bit me up. Nigerians son they don't mind say first like we to me start beating no so they are come big producer be some way man. So what I say, ba Ghana I just be have so no pay one side pay. But me I open up to every producer and I have
okay, until Obi doing your mother.
Oh, this game there, but almost definitely people will step on you.
What happened?
Oh, there's so many to me pointing hands near.
No, I'm not saying to point hands, but
artists, me people did, but then I've worked with artists. We started artists growing up. We do baby no, we be no.
Wow.
Like Obinya will be like what I say. Do we be not artists in person Baba Kani Juma, but then the manager new team in say they have good producers because we were not known like them. So that was it. Like
yeah, we are.
Oh, from the beginning they usually like you. We nipa. What is it? Adebi so Adewe like men am started Adewe. Now for the Adene because of when you scan it. Obi bana nipa no scan we be ana nipa no position staff.